Welcome to Impact Physics. Today we are going to be solving question number 8c, Waec 2023 essay question number 8c. So I'm going to read the question so that we can solve together. A spiral spring of spring constant K and natural length L has a scale pan of mass 0.04 kg hanging on its lower end, while the upper end is firmly fixed to a support. When an object of mass 0.20 kg is placed on the scale pan, the length of the spring becomes 0.055 meters. And when the object is replaced with another object of mass 0.28 kg, the length of the spring becomes 0.65 meters. So they calculate the values of K and L. Calculate the values of K and what? L. I think L should be the natural length and then K should be the force constant. Okay, so we're having the length here, and then the length here is the length here L2 should be 0.06 meters. So we'll have to start solving. Are you there? Let me have my calculator and then I proceed with the solution. Okay, so what we are dealing with here is elastic property of what? Of solid. Is that okay? What is elasticity? Elasticity is the ability of a material to return back to its original shape and size after being stretched by an applied force. So you can see this spring is an elastic material. It has a natural length L and a mass m0. So when you drop something, you dropped an object of 0.20. So what will happen is going to extend. An extension will be the final length minus the original length. And Hooke's law says that the force is equal to Ke. So now the force here for the first stage will be the weight. This force is going to be the weight. Ke. So I will not write weight. I will just manage my body. I'll write mg here. So now let's get the mass. The mass that will cause the first extension will be what? The mass that will cause, that's this mass now. 0.20 plus the original mass, which is what? 0.04. Now multiply by g is 10 now, equal to k. Our extension will be 0.055 minus what? Minus L1. Sorry, L, I mean to say, that's the original length. Because this thing is going to extend, and then it will have to extend, it will have a new length, L2. Sorry, L1, I mean to say. So the extension here should be equal to L1 minus what? L. That's what I did here. So my L1 is this 0.055, then minus this. So let's progress. I'm trying to manage the board. So if you work on this, you're going to have 0.20 plus 0.04. This gives me about 0.24. If I multiply by 4, what do I have? I have 0.1. 0.20 plus 0.04. Then multiply by 10. If you do that, you're going to get everything here will give you what? 2.4 equal to K in bracket 0.055 minus L. Now this is what is equation 1. So now if you should keep another object on this, what happens? You remove the first one. So now another object is placed on it, and the object is about the mass of the object. We still use Hooke's law. So for the second object, the mass of the object is what? 0.28. Now plus, remember this thing has a mass already, the pan. Now that will be 0.04 here, multiplied by 10, which is this gravity. Selection due to gravity, I mean to say, this will give you K in bracket. The L2 is 0.06 minus L1. Is it 0.06? Sorry, let me extend this a little bit. 0.06 minus what? L1. Please let me confirm if that is actually 0. It's actually 0.065. Please, I just want to confirm. Okay, so now let's progress. So from here, what do you get? you need to multiply 0. Sorry, add this one first. 0.28 plus 0.04 gives me 0.32 multiplied by what? 10. What do you have? I'm going to have 3.2 is equal to k equal to 0.065 minus what? L1. Can we call this equation 2? Call this equation what? 2. So we are going to divide. Is it that we do? Okay, let's do equation 2 divided by equation 1. So what do we do? Here we're going to have 3.2 equal to k in bracket 0.065 minus L1. Now divided by, we're going to have here 2.4, and we're going to have over, we're having k in bracket, we're having 0.055, sorry, 0.055 minus L what? L. It's not supposed to be L1. There's no L1 anywhere. Yeah. So now if we divide this, what do we get? That will happen. Then we'll cross multiply. We're going to have 2.4 in bracket 0.065 minus L is equal to 3.2 in bracket 0.055 minus what? L. Are you there? So now let's multiply through. We'll say 2.4 times 0.065. What do you have? I'm having 0.156 minus 2.4L to be equal to, let me do 3.2 times 0.055. What do I have? I have 0.176 minus 3.2L. So I'm going to collect like terms and then we'll see what I'll get. So I'll have 0. I think I can do that over here. Permit me to clean this side of the board so that I can continue. Okay. Now I'm going to have 0.156 minus 0.176 equal to negative 3.2 L plus 2.4 L. Okay, let's see what would that give to us. 0.156 minus 0.176. I'm having about negative 0.02 equal to, this will also give me negative 3.2 minus 2.4. I'm having a negative 0.8 L. So my L should be equal to 0.02 divided by 0.8. So 0.02 divided by 0.8. I'm having L to be equal to 0.025. This will be in what? In meters. 0.025 in meters. So now if that's my L, let's progress. That's this value here. I think I'm mixing. Let me maintain the small little L. So here's also L. So now what will now be, this is the length, original length. So let's get the first constant from this equation. We can use any one. We can use from equation 1, from 1. What do we have? We have that 2.4 is equal to k in bracket 0.055 minus, instead of L, we'll put this value 0.025. So what do we have here? This will just give us 0.055 minus 0.025. I'm having k to be 0.k in bracket 0.03. I have 2.4 here. Divide both sides by what? 0.03. What do you have? 0.03. So k should be equal to So 2.4 divided by 0.03. What do you have? I'm having 80. Now, the first constant has a unit. The unit will be in Newton what? Per meter. Okay. My name is Mr. Oporum Darlington Chetachi. I'm here to simplify your mathematics and physics journey. In case I'm solving and then you feel I was fast at a particular point, please comment. Please do that in the comment section below. Just comment, tell me you are fast at this particular point. Tell me you need to explain this particular point better. Please, I'll respond to your comments. I'll respond to your observations. Please be free. I am an open-minded person. Are you there? Thank you very much. Please do well to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Darlington_physics, and also follow me on other social media platforms. Thank you very much.